We're 4 years into the Maihi Karauna now, so it's really good to have a look at where we're at, some of the things that people have tried, some of the things that have worked, some of the stuff that hasn't. And so that sharing, I think, is really, really important, and reminding everybody that te reo is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There are a bunch of things that we need to try. We have some things that research tells us works really, really well, but when you use it in different contexts, you have to actually adjust it. I think the second one too is getting an idea of where we are in terms of the implementation, understanding where people are at in terms of their own understanding of what the Maihi Karauna is and what it's meant to do, and what te reo means for those particular organisations.
One of the biggest things that the public service can do is give effect to the legislation, and so the policy framework that drops from that piece of legislation, more importantly the Maihi Karauna, is around working collectively to ensure that te reo is everywhere.
Every kai kōrero has something to take away, and that was kind of my wero as well at the beginning to the members online and in person, to take something that really stands out to them from each kai kōrero, because a lot of them have just been so different from different sectors, private, public, people with a plethora of background and experience. We had the media as well, speaking of their experiences, just to really hone in on the importance of te reo Māori and the role that it plays within our society.
If you don't use it, you lose it. And so we need to use the language as much as possible in all kinds of opportunities and not be afraid. I think that's one of the things that puts people off, is that they're a bit scared. You know, kia mahorohoro te reo is to ensure that the language is spread everywhere. And if we can't just use the language in ceremony, we have to use the language, to be a living language, it has to be used all the time. Uhi Tai, Uhi Tai.